Hi music family, Miss Neidringhaus here. Today we are going to be doing musical Simon Says. Now to play musical Simon Says, we are going to need a musical staff. Remember, the musical staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. If you take a look behind me, I have drawn out a large musical staff. I want you to go ahead and pause the video. I want you to find your chalk and an adult to go outside and draw your own musical staff. Don't forget, for your musical staff, you need 5 lines and 4 spaces. On my musical staff, I drew a treble clef. If you're not sure how to draw a treble clef, I'll have a short little video at the very end to teach you how to draw one. But you don't need to worry about it right now. Now, before we start our Simon Says game, we need to know which number line and space is which. So take a look. The bottom line is line number 1. The next line up is line number 2. Line number 3. Line number 4. And line number 5. You will always start with number 1 on the bottom of the musical staff. Now let's talk about the spaces. If I start at the bottom again, the first space is space number 1. The second space is space number 2. The next, space number 3. And then finally, we end with space number 4. So now let's do a demonstration game of Simon Says with our musical staff. I'm going to start at the bottom, and Simon is going to call out and try to trick me with what line and what space to go to. Are you ready, Simon?
Simon says space number 3. Simon says line number 2. Simon says space number 4. Simon says line number 1. Simon says space number 2 and 3.
If you don't have chalk, or if it's raining outside, you can still play musical Simon Says. All you need is a piece of paper and something to write with. This is the paper I have at my house. I drew my musical staff with my 5 lines and 4 spaces. Then I will say, Simon Says, take your pointer finger to the bottom space. Simon Says, take your pointer finger to the top line. Simon Says, put your thumb on the treble clef. Simon Says, put your pinky on the middle line. You can still play musical Simon Says. You just have to get creative with it. All right, musical family. So today was all about Simon Says with our musical staff. Remember, make sure that you ask a family member to go outside with you so you're not outside by yourself. Stay safe and stay healthy. So, this is how you draw the treble clef. First, you have to have your musical staff with your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and your 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Now, I'm going to take my chalk and I'm just going to draw a vertical line going a little past the top line and a little past the bottom line. Once I'm at the bottom, I'm going to draw a circle to the left of the line, but still at the bottom. Next, I'm going to start at the very top, and I'm going to draw a half circle that's going to reach to the second to top line. So I'll start here, and I will end here. My half circle has to go on the right side of that line. Next, I'm still going to start here at that second line from the top and draw another half circle and stop at my bottom line. But I need to draw the half circle on the left side. So I'll start here, and I'm going to draw a half circle that goes all the way down to the bottom line. Next, start at the bottom line, and I'm going to draw another half circle to the middle line, except this time I'm going to go on the right side again. Last part, I start on that middle line and I end on that second to bottom line. And that's how you draw a treble clef.